All right, let's look at question 9. The sketch shows the graph of y equals to ka negative x. Okay, the point A, negative 324, and B, 0, 3 lie on the graph. So you can see here your y-axis, your x-axis, and then on the exponential line, you have point A and point B. It would be great if I can add in this y equals to ka minus, sorry. All right, so find the value as k and a. So for part A, right, it is quite simple. You just have to employ an indices trick. So what do we want? We only want one variable at a time. And for that, our best bet will be using b, because one of the variable will be 0. B is 0, negative 3, right? So let's identify, right? This is your x and this is your y. So y you will have 3 k a to the power of negative 0. Now remember, your indices law, right? Anything to the power of 0 will be 1. So now immediately you will have 3k equals to 1. Alright? Remember, negative 0 is also just 0. So now k equals to 3. Moving on, let's go on to find our a. So now that we have a 3, we are only left with one unknown variable. Alright? Which is a. So now let's use point A lah, right? Negative 3, 24. Again, your x equals to negative 3, your y equals to 24. So fill that into your line here. 24 equals to 3a to the power of negative 3. Okay, so 24 equals to 3a, negative, positive. Alright, 24 divided by 3, you have a to the power of 3. Then what to do next? You have to cube root 8, which you get 2. So your k equals to 3 and your a equals to 2. Alright. Actually, I should write this. I'm skipping steps. My apologies. Alright. So this is your a and a equals to 2. Alright. So now question B. A straight line is drawn from A to B. Find the equation of the line AB. Alright, so this is your y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so what do you actually need to find? You need to find your m and you need to find your c. Actually, let's see whether we can find our c directly. What is your c? Your c, okay, to visualize, this is how the line would somewhat look. You realize that actually, how sweet of them. They have actually shown us where our y-intercept is, which is our C. So we already have our y-intercept. Let's have a look. Where's our y-intercept? It is at 3. Your y-intercept is when the line touches the y-axis. Y-axis is on 0 on x-axis. Alright? So your sorry, not your y. Your C will oh my goodness, your C will equals to 3. And your M is your gradient. Now, if you have forgotten how to find gradient, this is how you find it. Y2 minus Y1, X2 minus X1. So who is your Y2? Usually, the point towards the right will be your second set of coordinates, and the points towards your left would be your first coordinates. So this will be Y2 and X2. This will be Y1, X1. All right? So our M will equals to Y2 is 3 minus 24, and our X will be 0 minus, okay, let's see, 0 minus negative 3. Since this line is going downwards, our gradient should be a negative, okay? The line is going downwards, so our line should be negative. So 3 minus 24 is negative 21 over Okay, 0 negative, negative, positive 3. Okay, so you have a negative 7, which fits our visual line now. Okay, so have you found your M? Yes, you have. Have you found your C? Yes, you have. So you are only left to put in the unknown variable. All right, so this will be your answer.